How to fix your Pinterest tag. If any day you're facing problem with your Pinterest tag but you do not know how to solve the problem, then do not worry as we have got the perfect and the easiest solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. It may be a data connection or it may be a Wi-Fi connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to go to the next option, that is the option of settings. Now, in order to go to the option of settings, you can directly go to the settings from the top icon out here, or you can also search the settings icon on your very mobile device. After you launch the settings icon or the settings on your very mobile device, you have to go to the search icon on the top. After you go to the search icon on the top, you have to tap apps out there. After you tap apps out there, you can send it a face like this. Now you have to tap on the option of the apps. This very interface may vary as per the mobile device that you are using. After that, you can see the list of the applications that are on your mobile device. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of the Pinterest. You can also scroll down until you find the option of the Pinterest, or nextly you can also go to the search icon on the top and you can also search the Pinterest there. For example, you can directly go by scrolling down, or you can go to the top icon and search their Pinterest, and this way as well you can directly go to the option of Pinterest. After that, you have to tap on the application of Pinterest this way, and after that you can see the interface of the app information. After you find the interface of the app information, you have to go to the option of notifications. After you go to the option of notifications, you need to enable the allow notifications and also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you need to go to the option of permissions. After tapping on the option of permissions, you need to allow the permission to the camera, to the contacts, to the location, to the microphone, to the notification, to the photos and videos. You also need to take care that you have to see there are no permissions denied this way. And this way you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is set as default, and you need to enable the open supported links. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of storage, and after going to the option of storage, you need to see whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to clear down the cache like this and tap on the option of clear cache, and after going to the option of clear cache, you can go back again. After going back, you can also update your very application by going to the Google Play Store. This way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.